when we have a simple decision to make, we can make it really quickly, right? So it's an automatic response. Potentially, it could be emotional, efficient, and it's prone to biases, and sometimes that's totally fine. Like examples of fast thinking, simple decisions could be which route are you going to take to work? And you probably just habitually keep taking the same route to work because it works for you. And recognizing that, driving on that familiar route, you don't have to overanalyze it, you don't have to overthink it. Now, when there's a complex decision that requires slow thinking, that means that you want to include more logical thinking, adjusting the pros and cons and understanding the impacts, being more reflective and taking more time. That's what slow thinking is all about, taking more time. It does require more effort. It requires more problem-solving skills as well. And an example could be whether we're planning for a change that's happening, whether we're trying to make a strategic decision or decide on restructuring a team. It takes a lot more effort for us, and it's better to adopt that slow thinking. Now, imagine if you are adopting fast thinking for a complex decision, then that could have huge impacts, and there are many errors and mistakes that could be made. So it's important to understand, all right, what type of decision am I making here? And does it require fast or slow thinking? And then flex between the two.